In this video, I will show you how to log in CIB Bank of Hungary. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for CIB Bank Hungary, and then click this first result here. After that, you will see this page, official page. So friends, when you will see this page, just go to this icon, this one, and then you will see login page. Just wait, click on this one, as I say, click this icon. After that, click this one, write your user ID, this one guys, your user ID here, and then write your password from here. Write your password, just a way to translate English, write your password. For example, this is your password, and then write your username from the top right corner, your username. And then click this login one option, as you can see here, this one. If you want to log in with your app, just click CIB Bank app, download this app on Google Play or App Store. After download this app, you can log in successfully without any problem. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share in this video for more content, and see you on another videos.